friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel, Turquoise Dreaming. This is Sheree, and I'm here today with a little thrifty haul. So I got a few things from Dollar Tree and from the thrift store. So just a few things here. I just stopped by my favorite thrift store here in my local town and found a few things. They've been really overloaded with stock, and they're putting every week, you know, as much as they can out. So I kind of have been wanting to go by there. I can only go by, like, this is the one, this is Salvation Army, and it's the one I can only go by on the weekend because their hours during the week, you know, I'm at work in another town and, you know, 40 minutes away, so I can't get there during the week. So I just go by if I can on a Saturday, and Salvation Army is not open on Sundays. At least here they're probably not open anywhere on Sundays, I wouldn't think. So anyway, I did find a couple things. And so, yeah, I just found this little beaded tassel. It says it was originally $4. Originally $4. I can't, True Living, I'm not sure where that's from. But that's a lot for this little tassel. Wow. Because you can get these at Dollar Tree for, well, they used to be $1, and now they're probably $1.25 or $1.50, but still $4 is not, I paid under that, both of those, way under both of those amounts. But the thing I like the colors on here is why I got it. And I have, you know, these are wood beads, and, you know, I have some of these, but not maybe much of the certain colors that are on here, like the blue and the orange and the yellow and the pink. I think I have some green, but actually my greens might even be a different shade than those greens. And the thing I look for right now is in my beads when I do get them, is if they have a big hole, big enough hole. So like these have, even these smaller ones have a good size hole. If you can see it there, maybe. So that I can put them on a tassel. So, and I do try to reuse all of the jute twine too that comes with these little tassel twines. I mean tassel bead tassels. So that, and well, I did find another package of beads too. I don't know if any were used out of here, but I had bought a package like this of these wooden kind of natural colored beads or neutral colored at Walmart quite a few years ago. And I think I have a few left. Like, I've used a lot of them. And so, you know, probably within the next year or less, I would have bought another package anyway at Walmart. And I think I paid, what's the price on here? $1.99. And I'm sure this is way more, like the last pack I got from Walmart. So, you know, new. And I'm sure these are, you know, quite a bit more than $1.99 at Walmart. I mean, they're probably a good price at Walmart, but not that good, right? So, and all of these have pretty good size holes in them too. So, yeah, I figured I was going to need one of these anyway. And I like the different shades in here of, you know, they're all like, you know, the beige and browns and stuff like that. But I like the different shades. I have seen in thrift stores, if you guys go thrifting, let me know if you've seen it. You know, those old beaded car seats? I have seen those, and I have seen where I know the beads were from those, like a whole big bag of those beads taken apart. You know what I mean? I've seen those. I'm like, no, I don't need all that. I'd rather get something like this with the different sizes and colors. So this was right up my alley when I saw it. And they have a big, quite a bit of wrapping paper right now, and most of it's Christmas. And I had picked out a Christmas or two that I was going to get. And there were just quite a few that I liked. And I was like, no, let me just narrow this down to one. Because I had like 4, I think, in my cart. I was pushing a cart around. Little cart. They have little cart. You know, those little mini carts that grocery stores have now. My Salvation Army's has the little mini ones. They're so cute. Little push around on wheels, carts, you know, baskets, whatever you call them in your neck of the woods. But anyway, then I noticed these two. I think these were maybe the only two that were not Christmassy, but this one popped out at me first. with these really retro flowers on them. And there's not a whole lot on here, but it's brand new. It's never been used. And let's see if I can show you the label. I don't think there's any date on here, but it looks like it's probably been around for a good while. Like it's probably vintage. And I don't recognize this. Like that's one thing that tells me it's vintage. Like you just, I don't know, have no idea where this would be from. You know what I mean? Maybe an old, I don't know. I have no idea. And I don't see a date on here, but anyway, I'm not going to open it right now. I want to keep it all together, but I saw these retro flowers on there. Like, it just reminded me of the 70s. So this one jumped out at me and I was like, okay, that's going to be one. And then I was like happy with that, but then I saw this one and it had some map on it. Now I don't need map wrapping paper. I have lots of paper from atlases and I have actual maps, but I just thought I've never had map wrapping paper. It's open. I don't know if some of it may have been, yeah, I think some of it probably was used, but there's still some on here. And I just had to get it because map wrapping paper, it was kind of a no-brainer for me. I had to get it and try out map wrapping paper. And then at Dollar Tree, I went by the next day. I went to there on Saturday and went here on Sunday. And I found a few things. So I went to the new Dollar Tree that's new to me, Dollar Tree anyway, that I go to now in the next town north of me. And they have different things than my local Dollar Tree here in my town and the ones I go to by work, it seems. You know, they have a lot of the same things, but then they have some different things too. So I found these color of bags, and I didn't know if I had any of these. It just didn't look like something I had. I could be wrong, but I didn't want to pass them up and then, you know, go next week and they're all gone or something. So I got a couple of these treat, you know, from the party section. These, they call them treat bags, and so I got 2 of those. I tried to talk myself into one, but I couldn't. I got 2. And then they had these balloons, which I hadn't seen before. These I had not seen before. And, you know, when you see balloons, you think, oh, they're just for birthday parties. But what I was looking at was the colors of the balloons. So that's why I got them. Like, this one can be used in a journal with, you know, the more kind of like primary colors. And since there's some purple there and orange, but still kind of bolder colors. And then this can be used in a more pastel-y type colors with the pinks and the light blues there. And these could be even used in a baby journal. If you're doing a baby journal, these colors would be good for a baby journal. So I just thought, I didn't really, you know, focus on that these were balloons. I focused on the colors. So I got one of each of those. And then ever since I noticed the one Dollar Tree, which one was it? I think it was my local town Dollar Tree had, you know, in the little note cards that they have hanging at the ends of the aisles. I noticed there were some Christmas, and I showed you those where I got some little Christmas packs like this, you know, because they're little cards. They're so cute. And none of the other Dollar Trees that I've been you know, usually go to had the little Christmas ones. And I was like, wow, I feel like I'm kind of lucky to have found those. So anyway, today I was at this one, you know, the new to me Dollar Tree. And there were these flag cards. So I'm going to put these with my patriotic stash. And when I do a patriotic journal next time, I will have these little flag cards. There's only 4 in here. So beware, there's only 4 in here. Most of them have 6. They used to have 8. Now they have 6. And this only has 4. But you just don't see, you know, you don't see flag cards. So that's why I went ahead and got them. I just don't see flag cards. And then, well, this is not for junk journaling, actually. I got this for my Christmas. And I was going to get just some Christmas paper. But, you know, this is the same price, I guess, as the Christmas paper. Probably. And it has all these colors. And I can just use the green and red or just the green, whatever color I think would go with my Christmas gift bags. And there's some white in there too. I mean, after all, when you put it in an actual gift, you're not using it for crafting. When you put it in an actual gift bag, it's just going to get thrown away. So why spend extra on, you know, that's my thought anyway. So that's why I got just solid color tissue paper, even for Christmas. So, because I don't need that much. I only have between 2 and 4. I told you, I think I told, no, that's my other channel. I told you I had 4. Anyway, I'm just telling you now, I only have 4 possible gift bags. So this will be plenty for me to put a little bit of tissue in there, and then when they throw it away, I won't be heartbroken because you're throwing away my Christmas tissue paper. So that's all I have today. Stay tuned. I did go to another thrift store, but I'm not going to try to, you know, put it all into this video because it'll be too much, and too long. And I hope you enjoyed. And this will probably be on a Thrifty Thursday, so that is an open collab hosted by myself if you'd like to participate. In case you're new, everyone's welcome. Just use the hashtag Thrifty Thursday and link my channel. And there you go. You're part of the collab. And people can search that that hashtag and come up, and you can too if you don't know about it. Search that hashtag and you should get lots of videos coming up with thrift hauls. So thank you for watching today, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.